boom, DJ Dreadbeard.
Like I feel that majority of your biggest songs them is always with like young artists.
A few moments later.
So what? Russian across the waters recently.
We do chilling.
Dirty money?
Oh God, that did done big already.
Oh, okay.
You get me? I say we at a new gen style. New
storybook too.
Me and myself in a big competition and me nah lose it like Nige boy vision.
This motherfucker don't miss.
DJ Dreadbeard. Subscribe now.
Yo, I don't really feel like say bad rhythm did I go their road and Vybz Kartel not jump on the beat. Yo, remember, Vybz Kartel can say him change, God is the greatest, him not do no gun song. But one thing not change from Vybz Kartel here, and at the competition, Vybz Kartel never did I go see the rhythm here. There road where everybody are jumping and, you see me, DJ Maka say, yo, it across borders and it across the waters and all kind of different genre, me say I jump on it and things. So what there, Jeffrey did I interview DJ Maka. You see me and DJ Maka say, yo, the WYFL rhythm that what you feel like rhythm. He must say, yo, it bigger than the storybook because it across water. One of the things the Vybz Kartel do. What you think Vybz Kartel do? Vybz Kartel say yesterday area, me and myself in a big competition. So instead of him shy away from the rhythm, what him do? Him join the rhythm. So a storybook versus the WYFL rhythm again. So we have to go revisit the conversation there. Couple weeks later, couple months later, which are them are the bigger one because Vybz Kartel a jump on the way you feel like with him. So him and himself in a competition. Yo, remember, them man they believe in a song for kill song, So when you feel like if you hear the argument, they say, yo, storybook rhythm bigger than DJ Mac rhythm. What you think him a go do? Him a jump on it. Vybz Kartel versus Vybz Kartel on the rhythm, which are them bigger? I saw them man they go to work and you see that on your screen, the Hype Life. It's still the number one on iTunes after 2 days. It not jump off, it not jump go a 3, it not jump go a 5 and jump back. Steadily, it the number one for 2 days straight going on 3 days tomorrow, you see me? So we have that for talk about. But before I'm going further, I'm introduce myself to the brand new viewers and the brand new subscribers. I am DJ Dreadbeard. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Maybe going to like up the video. And if you want to support the channel, drop a super thanks in the comment section. And please support the channel. Honestly, one day I do this thing for free. And as I get back my monetization, I say YouTube ramp with my channel, dog. 2 videos I drop now. And then I barely struggle for reach 3K views, you see me? So support the channel, because we're there out here, we don't know at daytime, you see me? But anyway, yeah dog, Vybz Kartel jump on the rhythm. And I want you when me hear the argument about the DJ Mac rhythm and the storybook rhythm, so me make figure say, I don't want to hear Vybz Kartel on the DJ Mac rhythm, but I never said, so I now try get no credit for something I never say on record, but all the while, I say, yo, they really me a bad in a dog. You see me? I see everybody a jump on it. What do you see Anthony B mad it up right now? Anthony B song, I go on good pan it. You see me? And as DJ Max said, it crossed the water somewhere and it gone over Brazil and all kind of different language we hear upon the rhythm. So the rhythm gone. So, bro, me don't know which fan base right now who don't want to hear them artists upon the rhythm, bro. And so Vybz Kartel is from the old school, is from the juggling days. So him now go someone at rhythm around the place and him not jump on it. You see me? Yeah man, remember them man when them man they go on any juggling, it bust the rhythm and make the artists them where they on it bust, Remember that him do with all intense the dep on a rhythm with Vybz Kartel, them see him alkaline them, always dep on rhythm with Vybz Kartel. And them something they help young youths them. You see me? And something where DJ Max say, but the older artists, me I go play it later on, but me I go on reason before me get to the clips there. You know a reason we reason over here so. And as me say, me don't know which fan base right now would want to hear them artists pan a hot rhythm. Me not have to call no name. You have whole heap of other fan base, whole heap of people out there where rep them artists and them would want to hear them artists pan a rhythm. Yo, I saw we know the competition used to go, who take the rhythm, You see me, but not even that the man them a do right now. And as Vybz Kartel, as a veteran artist, and them a jump on them rhythm, You see me, I hear DJ Maka say, yo, I be a young youth him work with because the older man, them hard to deal with and them not take tellings like Them now want to take instruction from a young producer like them as a know it all and beer things, you see me? But anyway, as me say, me not stay long, so I get to the clip when DJ Maka said that, but I want to bear in mind, say, when you talk about the older artists, don't consider Vybz Kartel as the older artist. I know man like Vybz Kartel matter, you know, say Vybz Kartel endorse every youth, whether you're a producer or you're an artist or you're a promoter, you're Vybz Kartel always endorse youths. Them Vybz Kartel are one of the only veteran artists we never hear beat down pan the trap or talk down pan the trap. As a matter of fact, him have a hit pan the trap. You see me? So we are going to hear what DJ Maka say, but why I be a young youth him always a work with, and why I be a young youth him a find the hits with, because the older artists him have a little problem with the older artists. So it's good for say a man like Vybz Kartel jump on the beat, you see me? Yeah, him always take himself out of the box there. You can't put Vybz Kartel in an old man box. Like no old artist. When you hear man talk about old artists, just take Vybz Kartel out tight.
Like I feel that majority of your biggest songs them is always with like young artists. So what is it with young artists why you always like find that magic there or that chemistry there with them versus like a more established artist?
Bro, because simple, just the energy just have to connect. I not luck with big artists, bro. And not in any disrespectful way or no way if I make it sound away, but I'd love to work with all the artists or the bigger artists them, but it's not really something with me. You know, that's not something I really aim for. To be honest, I rather for grow with the youth, them rather for grow with young artists, rather for boss young artists. It's a part of my thing. Remember, say me come up as a young producer, I do it young too, you know. I come out of COVID, I do producing too, you know. You get me? And as a DJ, where I start from when me young too, you know. You get me? Sometimes you just need somebody for help you. Bro, the talent is there. You get me? And for the older man, them now look on the young youth and come give them no energy, come give them no strength, come give them no song, no advice. Not even like advice, my young. You get me? I say so. Why me where have the platform or have the knowledge or have the ears for certain things? But prefer to work with them. Not for the older man, them not really want to hear what you have to say. I can't tell you, bro, my voice.
Yeah, man, so make we cut it right there, so cause I don't know we not play out full clips over here, so. You see me, a reason, they have reason. So I don't hear what him say. Him always have problem with the older artists as a young youth. You see me? And as me say, you don't put Vybz Kartel in a them box there. When you hear producer talk about veteran artists and older artists, just know say Vybz Kartel they in a league by himself. Like how them love put him in a league by himself. Just like how them love say take Vybz Kartel out tight. Yeah man, me tell you say them know when to say take Vybz Kartel out tight, you know. But anyway, like how them love say take Vybz Kartel out tight. Him in a league by himself. Yeah, when you hear them talk about old artists, just take Vybz Kartel out tight. Because them man they always up to the time. You know say I know Vybz Kartel them attack. Cause them man they would have give people strength. You see me, them man ain't afraid to give people strength. That's why I see him jump and read him. But me I go bring the reason there over my second channel because I have something to say about that. But if me say it now, the video I go all 30 minutes. I don't know. We have to build up the second channel, said speed. So anyway, him did go on for say yo, him record one trap artist and the trap artist never willing for compromise or never willing to work with DJ Mac and tweak up the song because DJ Mac could have say yo, the song you want more work and the trap artist start say yo, them tell me son of work with Tone man no say I know say it's a mobile man matter. I don't know if a Ryan King or who, but as somebody we boss doing them time they kind of say one of the older trap artists. So I just say this for say yo, Vybz Kartel him a go jump on them rhythm. Like who never knows a Vybz Kartel I go jump on them rhythm or will jump on rhythms like these in the future with younger producer. Then no know Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel change whole heap of things, but the passion for the music, yeah. As something me hear the rhythm and hear Vybz Kartel pan the rhythm. Every time I hear the rhythm, me hear Vybz Kartel pan the rhythm, bro. You see me? But anyway, just look out for the reasoning over the second channel because but him say something about the older artists, I'm want reason upon that differently. You see me? But anyway, we transition a little bit before me talk about the number one hype live still upon iTunes. For transition a little bit, when I talk about the trap artist, we see Valiant run out and say yo, him a the trap king. You see me? You know, say a massacre cause them things, yeah.
So me I represent and step out. Since somebody now want to take up a trap dancehall and them a burn it out, You see me? I represent. Who vex about it, vex about it. I'm a king for chap dancehall. Who vex about it, tell me about my mother later. I'm used to it. I'm there, LA. Toronto, Montreal. The king for chap dancehall that they live, eh?
Massacre inspired all of the young youths them for be a hurry come up artist. For run go for some title where them not ready for yet. You see me? Massacre would have influenced you then. Cause you da see Silk Bass run out what you know say a Massacre influence that. Wanna think say him ready for this king thing yet? Or is a case that's the king him lock up, which is Squash. And you know there's something with Vybz Kartel they are prison and Vybz Kartel are the king, but them a say the king they are prison. So them this just a say a being man. So wanna think something similar where Squash are really the trap king, but through him lock up Valiant just a say that. You see me, cause a whole heap of people say you can't go around Squash. But leave it in the comment if you don't feel like say yo, him ready for this yet. You see me? And two questions more want to answer. What kind of song you don't think Vybz Kartel are gonna do on the DJ riddim? You see me? Girl song, party song, hype song, one more of them hype life song there. Weed song, what kind of song? But left in the comment wanna think say Valiant ready for this trap king thing yet, or we just have to wait till Squash forward out and just step back in place as the trap king. You see me? Yeah man, so we say hype life, it the number one on the reggae iTunes, and a 2 day now it dead, you see me? And it a hold on strong. Hear me I say, more of the people, especially Gaza Nation, get used to this like a reggae iTunes and Spotify and the streaming platform them. And them we want to see the artists them there. Number one. Even if them not the number one, we want to see them on the charts. It's a top 100 chart. We want to see them somewhere on the chart. Whether it want to be top 10, top 20, top 50. We need to see them on the chart. You know why? Because YouTube no longer contribute to going on the billboard. So streaming songs on YouTube every day. I watch video and I listen audio on YouTube. It now make the artists them chart. It now make the artists them get further to no silver or no gold. So we have to start make them things a bit more common and more popular. That's we see some song probably not do good on YouTube, but you see it on a chart. Yeah, so we want it. We don't want to see everybody bungle up over YouTube and then it full of views over YouTube, but the views them not contribute to the billboard. Remember I said billboard split ways with YouTube. You see me? So any views that you watch, so any song where you watch and I rewatch it over and over, it not do nothing for the artist right now. Yeah, the artists are gonna get money off of the views them off of YouTube, but where charts are concerned, and when album put out and thing and you want your artist to go up on billboard at 100 or 200, streaming it on YouTube now go do nothing. So it's a good look for see the song I hold on steady for almost 3 days now and continue the good work, because perfect example upon what the Popcorn and Burna Boy them get gold for Tony and sing in Canada. If you look on the song upon YouTube by 11 million it have, you know. So just judging by the YouTube views, you wouldn't even know so the song they do so good over Canada. But guess what? A stream good. It a do good on the streaming platform. That's why it sell gold in Canada. So that me mean. So just left the podcasting and the vlogging and the interview for YouTube. When we are dealing with music, yeah, we want to go over the streaming platform them. Anyone of your choice. You see me? But yeah man people, remember, continue the reasoning over my new channel where I talk about the biggest dancehall artists just do a song pan DJ riddim. You see me? And how the younger producer them not love work with the older artists them cause them not take talk. So go over my new channel. When you see the red arrow point to the video, that are over my new channel. So just click on the video where the red arrow point to. Support the channel. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. And if you want to support the channel, drop a super thanks in the comment section. Or send something to the PayPal. The link I got it in the description. Or I go pin it in the comment. You see me? Yeah man, supporting a favorite vlogger. I'm DJ Dreadbeard, signing out.
DJ Dreadbeard. Subscribe now.